Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing you delicious and creamy Kerala style chicken curry that is simple to make and full of flavor. Let's get started. To marinate chicken, turmeric powder, pepper powder, salt. Mix it everything and marinate the chicken for 1 hour. In a mixer jar, add coriander powder, peppercorns, fennel seeds, cardamom, cinnamon stick. Grind everything into a fine aromatic masala powder and keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan. Add crushed garlic, crushed ginger, curry leaf and onion. Saute it until onion turns to golden brown. Add little turmeric powder and mix it well. Add the marinated chicken and cook for about 5 minutes. Add thin coconut milk and let it simmer. Now pour thick coconut milk followed by the ground masala. Mix everything well. Cover the pan and cook the chicken. Now finally add a cashew paste. Bring the curry to a gentle boil and switch off the flame. Your rich, creamy and flavorful Kerala style chicken curry is now ready to have. Enjoy it with idiyappam, papam, chapati or a steamed rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.